Our today's topic is nutrition. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition means supply of the essential organic and inorganic chemical compound such as proteins, vitamins, salts, etc. to the body. All such chemical compounds are called nutrients. So, what do you understand by organic? Means the compound contain carbon and hydrogen, where inorganic compound are those where carbon is not present. So from where do we get nutrient? We get it from food which we eat or drink. Why nutrition is needed? It is needed for growth, repair of body tissue, for providing energy, maintenance of chemical composition of cell, and for protection from diseases and infection. Next is classes of nutrients. There are mainly 6 classes of food substances called nutrients. So these are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins and water. So the first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen that is always present in the ratio of 1:2:1. They are oxidized in the cells to release energy. Carbohydrates include sugar, starch, cellulose, etc. Carbohydrates provide instant energy and are present in rice, wheat, maize and other grains. So the first carbohydrate about which we are going to read is sugars. Sugar is broadly categorized into 2 major groups. They are monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharides also called single or simple sugars, and disaccharide means double sugars. Now let's see what is monosaccharide, disaccharides and polysaccharides. So a single sugar molecule is monosaccharide. 2 simple sugar forms disaccharide, and many sugar molecules link together to form polysaccharide. So the chemical formula of monosaccharide is C6H12O6. This is because they are simple sugar, they need no digestion and are straight away absorbed into the body. The 3 types of simple sugars are glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose is the simplest sugar found in organism, which is popularly known as grape sugar. When we say blood sugar, it means the glucose level in blood. Next is fructose, which is called fruit sugar and is common in plants. And galactose is another simple sugar found in milk. Next is disaccharides or double sugars. So the general formula is C12H22O11. Disaccharide require digestion. 3 types of sugar which are disaccharide are sucrose, maltose and lactose. So the first one is sucrose. Sucrose is made up of 2 simple sugars. What are they? They are glucose and fructose. Sucrose is commercial sugar and is commonly obtained from sugarcane in our country. Next one is maltose, also known as malt sugar, which is made up of 2 glucose molecules. And the last one is lactose, that is milk sugar, which is made up of glucose and galactose. Next carbohydrate is starch. So starch is insoluble carbohydrate. It is mainly stored in plants. It is called polysaccharide. Formula of starch is C6H10O5. N number of molecules. Here N is the number of glucose molecules in the chain. After starch, next insoluble polysaccharide is cellulose, and it is found in the cell wall of plants. It is unused in our body, but it contributes in providing roughage for proper functioning of the gut. So, what is roughage? Roughage is mainly the undigestible portion of the diet. The fruit, vegetables, and the outer coats of the seeds and grains are particularly rich in roughage. So, what is the importance of roughage? It enables the food to move easily through the intestine. It stimulates secretion from the digestive tracts and help in removal of cholesterol and toxin. Cholesterol means the fatty excretory substance. Constipation can often be avoided by including sufficient roughage in food. Vegetables, especially cabbage, provides a lot of roughage. Fruits, corn, half-crushed wheat, that is dahlia, are the chief sources of roughage in our food. Next nutrient is fats. So fats are also made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen contained in this nutrient is much less, but they produce more energy than carbohydrate. It is an important storage form of food, and fat below the skin protect the body against rapid loss of heat. It also serves as a solvent for fat-soluble vitamins. Common food rich in fats include milk, cheese, butter, meat, fish liver oils, etc. So these are all about carbohydrate and fats. On the next class, we will read about other nutrients. They are proteins, minerals, vitamins, etc.